So welcome everyone to day 4 of 7-day series on this channel, where we talk about using ChatGPT Image Generator. In today's video we'll talk about creating amazing templates. So for example, this mindset reset, here we've got wellness planner, daily focus checklist, we've got a lot of different templates. Watch this video to the end because I prepared for you something very special. As you can see here, we've got a lot of different templates. And ChatGPT Image Generator is perfect at creating this content. Afterwards, you can sell it, you can monetize, you can post, and get a lot of traffic. But as usual, before, I encourage you to check out my AI community. And this is the only space you need to learn AI faster, better, and easier. So you can see we've got our live call which is coming. Here we've got Sora Masterclass, which is live. We've got plus 12 courses about actually everything. So here, DeepSeek, Zapier, so creating powerful automations, Notion, image generation with ChatGPT. So you've got all of that. Sora, and here a lot of more classes. So I will put the link in the description of this video, so again feel free to check it out. And with all that being said, let me show you what I prepared for you in this video. And actually we've got the templates. So this is the great idea actually to use ChatGPT Image Generator, because we can generate either text and perfect images. So for example, let's say we've got this simple, however still professional template. We can actually go over ahead, we can sell it, we can publish somewhere, for example, on Facebook group, on our Instagram, and do other stuff. So it's totally amazing. So let me show you. Create an image of a printable mindset reset worksheet with calming colors and soft borders. Include sections. Today I feel, what's on my mind, what I want to let go of, one kind thing I can do myself. And there, kind of again, like the possibilities are just endless. You can do a lot of different, templates, and then for example, let's say you can post them as a bundle on Etsy, on other group, or just use, for your personal use. However, again, like look on the details. Today I feel what's on my mind, what I want to let go of, and here even we've got this nice, bracket, here the lines, everything is at the point. So again, you can create consistent templates, post them somewhere and do other stuff. The next template is very easy, however still, brainstorm space, idea 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here, again, we can use it. Wellness planner, so look on that. We've got our mood, we've got habit tracker, even this one entire, graphic, which is very nice. It fits the graphic perfectly. Today's intentions, one thing I'm thankful for. So what else can we add actually? We've got everything that we can imagine. So in general, remember, you can actually add that. You can type the prompt, alright, change the style, change the colors, for example, remove the habit tracker as you wish. However, still, this design is very professional. Let me show you actually the prompt. I won't read it all. You can actually stop the video and read it, or even you can use, However, we've got here, habit tracker grid with 7 days, space for today's intentions, and a gratitude prompt. One thing I'm grateful for, include floral and leaf accents and soft line work. So it's so cool. The next case, we've got the dashboard in Notion style. So here, just even notice, Business Hub Weekly View. We've got this week's tasks, ongoing projects, quick links again. However, again, it's so cool. And with all that being said, let's go ahead to the next one. So the next case is very simple daily focus template. With only, we've got 5 checkboxes, we've got the line to type something here. However, it's still very professional. Sometimes you don't need to have sophisticated designs. It's really enough, You can actually create a lot of them and use for any purpose. The next case is 30-day self-care journey. So we've got this nice design, these nice colors. We've got this table, and here reward when complete. So actually the main purpose of this video is to show you some examples, some styles you can use. So I don't want to waste your time actually, because otherwise this video, will be 20 minutes or so. However, you can stop the video, use this prompt. I only want to give you the best value, so the best ideas for templates. Therefore, let's go ahead and don't waste our time. Here, what we have. We've got this kind of 3-step template, and let's see what I typed. Create an image of a printable 3-page goal planning template in a clean, minimal style. Page 1, page 2, we've got different pages. And here, It's pretty cool, so it's different than we had previously other templates. So here, big picture goals, quarterly breakdown action steps. So something different. Again, I want to show you some ideas. We've got our daily planner request. So here, this is very simple. We've got simple table. However, we don't need to go ahead to other application, and create this entire template. We can do this. So daily time blocking planner, reflection. So again, this is very minimalistic design. And last but not least, we've got reflection journal. So here, again, the design is very, very simple. So create an image of a printable reflection journal, page for post-therapy use, sections, what we talked about, and even we've got, the lines. So here, what we talk about, what stuck with me, something I want to explore more, one word that describes how I feel. Again, so nice, so simple, and very practical. So that we have it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope actually you enjoyed some of the use cases from this video, so some of the templates. Remember to check out our AI community in the description of this lesson, so feel free to check it out if it's for you or not. For now, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.